BuildOps has made us a lot more efficient. And the only reason that I can do this interview and have time to do it is because I'm finished with my quotes for the day, actually.
What I tell people about Service First, it has that small mom and pop feel, but we do everything at a corporate level.
I love it at Service First. It's a family-based company. We have a lot of family members who work together.
My dad's sitting right behind you.
I started the company in 1982 doing painting of office buildings. Over the years, we've just grown.
We're your one-stop shop. I really don't like using that term, but we are, because we do everything from refrigeration, kitchen equipment, HVAC, electrical, plumbing,
And then there's the pool division.
tenant improvement.
Before BuildOps, to put it this way, if somebody bought this company, I don't know that they would know how to run it because there were so many workarounds.
We had a lot of workarounds.
3 to 4 different software programs.
From creating a work order to billing to creating a purchase order, everything just seems scrambled.
Because we have aggressive goals, and the old system wouldn't have let us get there.
Moving to BuildOps has solved all of that. Sometimes software promises the moon, and once you actually start using it, there's a lot of weaknesses. It's been the exact opposite with BuildOps. Everything that we wanted done, it can do.
This is next level.
There's a feature that really surprised me and which I do love is the reports.
I think my favorite feature of all is the search bar. It is so quick to find a phone number, an invoice number, a purchase order.
How clean it is. There's a specific tabs for everything. We're twice as fast getting invoices out on BuildOps.
And we had a record year last year, so take that as you will.
Our very ambitious goal is being nationwide.
We're starting a division in Phoenix, Arizona, and a huge part of that is because BuildOps allows us to work from wherever we want.
We will be nationwide, and I know BuildOps is going to go there. We have the system. There's nothing that's going to stop us now.